Hello, welcome. In this video, I will demonstrate to you how you can register on CityLearn as a FUNAI lecturer. So all you need to do is to log on to aefunai.citylearn.net. Okay, you can see it at the top. Yeah. So once you there, we're there. Then if you have your login details, you can log in, or if you don't have your login details, you click on register. At the bottom, you can see down, have the register. You click on the register, then you enter your access code. If you don't have your access code, the information on how you can get your access code will be made available to you from the management. Okay, so let me enter mine. Okay, and click on continue. So these are the information that you have to provide, and once you enter this information, you click on register, and once you register, you are in. So I'm not going to register because I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. So to log in, I click on login at the down. Okay, so I'm going to enter a username or email and password. So I click on login. So I'm in. Okay, so a quick overview. At the up, this is for search, where you can search. You can have search where you can search for users within the platform, so you can search for any person. Okay, then the three dots by your right side you have is for menu. So you see the three dots by the right side is the menu. So we have under courses, you can see the menu. We have under courses, live class, attendance, my courses, course members, announcement, and assignment. And then we have materials. Under materials, we have study guide, notes, and drive. And under my account, we have a profile, my drive, help, log, and log out. Okay, so we'll not go into details yet on this. But we go back and we click on the three dots in order to minimize the menu. We have the notification. So the notification icon, you can see it. You have two notifications. So it shows you you have two requests. Okay, you have two requests, 0 notifications, and 2 connection requests. So connection request is where you can connect with people within the community, within the platform. So if you click on it, you can see the notifications. Okay, so like I said, we are not going to details. So have the message. So here you can send or receive message from people within the platform. And when you click on your profile pics, you see profile, help, log, and log out. So now when you come down, we have the place you are seeing a 3-bar like a chart. So once you click on it, this is where you get a quick chart on your content. You can see course content. So how many notes you've uploaded and the courses you are offering. So you have assignment. So I've been able to under demo 101 you have uploaded two course notes and the 1 assignment. Why this physics 195 you have already uploaded 1 note. Okay, so this is just like a quick guide statistics of your course content. Then the next we have is for your course notes. Okay, this is where you can have a quick view of your course notes, the notes you've uploaded as a lecturer, and equally see comment from students. So you can equally provide a comment as well. Then the next we have is a news feed from the community, where you can equally get news and updates from the community. Okay, you can have you can read more and other things. Then the next is the connection. So this is where you can see people within the platform or within the community, so you can connect with them. So to connect with them, just click on the button, so you can connect with the person.